video you will see Tiki Adventure Pass Tiki whitelist is now open for another 3K spots. Warning, filling fast Tiki.io. Stay tuned for more updates. So sign up and connect your Twitter account and put your referral code and submit. And this is the work, nothing complicated here. I'm hoping you will get something from this airdrop. So if you join properly, come into my Telegram and click on this link, and immediately that bring into you inside of your browser. So keep in mind, getting something you need to provide something. Okay, so nothing you will precise thing you will get, so totally free. You need to provide either your information, either some money to getting a lot of money. So in this scenario we need to provide our information like connect Twitter, submit like referral code and submit, maybe email type of thing we need to do here, because I've already said you, getting something you need to provide something, getting precise thing you need to give something valuable. What do you want, what do you wanna, what do you gonna get? So here is join whitelist. That is, whitelist mean it's earlier, access to people. Those people are using their earlier any type of product. It could be their token, it could be their website. So join whitelist, and here is their investor is, here is you are seeing their investor, investor logo, their names. So keep in mind. So now wait here a few minutes, my phone is lacking now, so wait. Okay, so join whitelist, click on there and connect your MetaMask. Here I will recommend you to do connect that, and that will bring into inside of the MetaMask to getting sign, to getting approval, and immediately do that. Already said, getting something you need to provide something. It could be time, it could be your information, it could be money. So here we are putting some our time, precise time, and some our precise information like connect MetaMask, connect Twitter. This is our information. Okay, and I'm using we are using their website now, so keep in mind that thing. So now that is loading pretty much, and wait a few minutes. I'm trying to do that manually, so maybe now it will be open. So I'm hoping. Okay, that is open. So now unlock. So it is unlocking. It will take some time, maybe not your, it's take some time to me. Okay, my phone has automatically locked. What is happening with me, doesn't, I don't know. Okay, anyways, my video is okay, my video is still recording. uh, I felt that my video is not. So anyways, we are now in side of the MetaMask. So now again I will connect our MetaMask with that website. So now click on join whitelist, click MetaMask, and again that will bring into you inside of MetaMask, I'm hoping. So waiting confirmation, accept the connection request in MetaMask wallet. Okay, I'm waiting for that. Wait for a minute. Pretty much it's loading. It doesn't make sense to me. Join whitelist, wallet connect. So I will do connect mobile apps because that is not working. Past time I wanted to connect. So anyways, I will do connect anyway. So uh, MetaMask I will connect here. MetaMask, now it is inside of the MetaMask. So MetaMask is gonna be open. Wait here a few minutes and it will be immediately opened. Don't feel exhausted. So fingerprint need, give them what they need, and end of the day essentially it will be open to you. So keep in mind MetaMask. So now connect your wallet and on board will be coming to in front of your mobile screen like this, and click on connect, and that will back into that website. And need maybe signature. If it is need, come again here and do some refresh here. If something will come, accept that or sign that. If it is not come, go back exactly that website that where you are doing work and select account. It's not working yet, it doesn't make sense me. So MetaMask, click on there again. I already connected with that website, but later like what is a wrong thing is happening with that, it doesn't make sense me. Okay, sign in, awaiting confirmation. Okay, sign in. So just do attempt sometime, do try occasionally. If it is not work, and it will be ultimately will be work. So click on sign button and it will bring into exactly that. Try again and again go there, always try. If it is not work, do again and over again. Okay, so now click on sign button. Okay, fail to sign in, doesn't make sense me yet. So let me see, switch account. Okay, already connected. So who is network they wanna switch you at that network. So I'm exactly in MetaMask apps. So here we go. So now do refresh, maybe some board will come. Okay, already comes here in. So Telos Swiss network, got it, and now it will be work because we are in their network inside of MetaMask. So if we come into here, you will see that we are in close network. Okay, so definitely now it will be work because we are using their network inside of our MetaMask that we are connected with that. So yeah, so that is loading still now. And scoreboard, if I click on there, okay, if I click on that logo, Swiss network I already did, sign in, and now go to inside of MetaMask, and here you will get your access. Okay, anything happened with you, if it is goes wrong, try just over and over again. So sign in, waiting confirmation. Click on sign. Now come back into their website and bam, bam, done. You are noticing that it is done. Now while it will be connected, link Twitter account, click on there, and which account you wanna link, add in your website or your apps, and do authorization that thing with their website. And it is pretty much loading, so keep in mind. Okay, my account is not added with that. I need to log in that account. So security purpose, I'm pausing here. So now I already logged in, so it will be done now. Because doing airdrop, sometimes I just feel, I used to feel exhausted while I was new in this space. But while I get reward, payment, USDT, any type of Rothschild token, like where my excited in, like inside of, I were so excited at that time because I get reward. Getting reward, it's everyone feel exciting. So my Twitter has already connected with that. So this is the work you need to do, and that is completed. And you need to just put your referral code here. So where you will get referral code, inside of Telegram. Come into Telegram, copy this link, just tap on there and come here and put your code here. Okay, so whitelist full, complete sign up, whitelist full. So let me do that desktop mode. Tekika.io register, it's their new website. Maybe Tekika will be token up there. So anyways, whatever happened, okay, I'm putting here, if I invalid referral code, doesn't make sense me yet. Complete sign up. Okay. So I didn't notice that 5000 Tigika already whitelist. We haven't time yet to doing that. So now I already said that I don't see anything to recording video. I just come into a offer and click on there and I record just video. So I will bring another thing, that if you wanna get a result, that I wanna show you a couple of result of airdrop. So wait few minutes here. So if you notice that inside of our Telegram, that recent payment of from airdrop, one guy, if you see that his payment now, if you notice that $2,225, he is Southeast countries people, and money is somewhat so much here because of $1 equal over 100 currency of their money, whatever currency they have. It could be rupee, anything. So now if you notice that this ether5 payment they get, here is another payment, and 2225, a lot of payment have there. So anyways, if you want to see that payment proof come into Telegram, you can see instantly there is payment proof. So come in here to seeing payment proof. Okay, so see you later in the next time. Unfortunately, we did not we did not activate our this airdrop, so sorry for that. I will try to give best you. Any airdrop I get, I will share here. I will genuinely wanna help you. So yes, come into our Telegram, and recently I'm gonna take best airdrop for my audience, for my subscriber. So come on for getting big airdrop. See you later.